All right. This is Malik Al-Armash from Refcode, and I'm the program manager.
And this is Brenton Strine from Refcode. I founded Refcode and I'm the director.
So we offer an intro to programming class or intro to software engineering class. This class, we will introduce the students to the field or to the career of becoming software engineer. For instance, I actually switched careers in 2022, and I did not know what a software engineer looks like, or what a software engineer will do on daily basis, or um, what requires to be a software engineer. So I enrolled in this class, and I learned a lot, like technical skills and soft skills like communications, like how I can describe the issues I'm running into. So this is what the intro class is. And intro class is actually introduces the students to the career, so they can decide if they want to continue their path, or they actually don't like being a software engineer. So it's an idea. It's more like
Discernment class.
a starting class.
Yeah,
What did you say?
discernment.
Discernment class.
Yes.
Yes, is where you decide if you want to do it or you don't want to do it. It's like you're tasting yourself with this specific class.
Yeah, and there's a lot of things in becoming a software engineer that aren't what you would typically think of. Obviously, you need to learn how to code and learn programming, but there's a broad range of additional skills that are very specific to software engineering that are really important. And what I've found is that a lot of schools only teach the sort of like the code aspect of it, and they neglect a lot of the other things: collaboration, team playing, communication. There's so many. I mean, I couldn't even possibly list them all. Now, some really good schools, like if you go to Stanford or MIT and you get a degree in computer science, they're going to craft their curriculum in a way where you're going to work on teams, you're going to build these mindsets and strategies and team skills, and you're going to graduate from those top tier universities with the broad range of skills that are software engineering. But most schools teach only this like hardcore academic coding, which is very limited, and you're missing out on an entire range. And so what Refcode really does is it gives you that missing element that's missing from most software education programs that are there today. So think about this: you could go to any old technical college or community college and supplement it with this Refcode class and have an education that's similar or comparable to Stanford. I truly think that what we're doing is that innovative and that impactful. And it's for refugees who are discerning whether they want to dive into this career. And after they finish this, we follow it up with a lot of other programs, mentorships, boot camps, earn and learn programs that actually help them finish their journey all the way into starting software engineering careers. But it all starts with this class. And so everything has to start here. And it's a cohort of 20 students who are immigrants and refugees who all work together to go through this class as a community with the support of, for every single student, there's more than 2 volunteers supporting them. The student to volunteer ratio is over 2 to 1. Sometimes it approaches 3 to 1, depending on the class. And so in order to sponsor an entire cohort of 20 students going through this intro class and learning all of these skills and building their own web pages and deploying it with GitHub onto their own domain, so they learn a bunch of really cool stuff that's impressive, we need $5,000 to sponsor one cohort.